everybody, this is Shane back again at Shimikoa Native Arts, and today our topic for discussion on jewelry, we have a wide variety for you here today, and this one we're calling Gardening with Glamour. We did a couple of shots with our co-worker Deanna, and of course you'll see those pictures, and on that one we wanted to hit more home. We did have a couple of viewers talk about having wearing t-shirts or something dressed down for the occasion, and that's what I wanted to show you, that native jewelry is versatile, whether you wear it with something something dressed down or something dressed up. It's for all occasions. As I say, get out there and wear your jewelry. And to me, that's the same thing that I'm doing right now. I have an old Henley that I have on. This is my go-to Henley for everything. And of course, it's almost the start of my weekend, so I'm gonna wear something comfortable, especially on a Sunday. So with me, I have this is my personal stuff, so you won't find this on the internet. But my naja, my turquoise, then of course some of the jewelry that I've had made here at the center from local artists, and then of course stuff given to me by my mother, given to her by my grandmothers. So, and that's what I want to show you today. So with this, I have some pieces here for you today. This one is by Joe Pacheco from Santo Domingo, Pueblo, and this is pink marble agate. And with it, we have here Vincent Platero stamped oxidized pendant in the shape of a butterfly. And then earrings. So these are also by him, very gorgeous. He does excellent stamp work. And then we have some oxidized rings to go with those. And if we come right over here, this is by Virginia So. She tends to make really good what we call Navajo pearls. This is melon shell, and then of course these ones are just your domed with stamped. And then another Vincent Platero, beautiful bracelet, oxidized silver. This one has stars, stamp pattern work all around it. And then like I said, in the photographs that we had, this is the 19 Pueblos t-shirt that we have. And this is what Deanna was wearing when she was modeling for us. And of course, this one you can't find on our internet too. And basically has all 19 Pueblos. And the hat. This one is new to the site and new to the center as well. The nice dragonfly on it. Nice purple color goes with the tones of this. Now, if it were me personally, I would have put a big turquoise pin right here, because that's just me. I like to liven things up. But now to get to the real stuff. So let's invite over my new coworker. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, Diandra. I'm Navajo, and I started working here 2 weeks ago.
And we're lucky to have her here. So she's gonna be my model today. So we're gonna have her try on some of these pieces. Ooh, there we go. Now, if you see this look, people, this is what I like to call the layered look. It's just, I don't know, the pieces, the oxidized silver definitely works well with the agate, the pink of the agate, and then of course with the earrings. It's for those perfect occasions that where you don't want the natural luster of the silver. You want it to be, I guess, dramatized and not to the effect of, everyday wear. Sometimes we do want sparkle. We want these ones right here, but this one, for the most part, I love how it works well, especially with the t-shirt that Deanna was wearing earlier. It coupled with that perfectly, but as you can see here on her blouse right here, and of course floral print, it works even better, giving a nice, bright, vibrant summer look. And if we were, because I'm all about layering, I'm gonna have her put on one more piece. Might be a bit heavy. Ah, beautiful. Oh my goodness. To me, I just love the layered effect. It just makes it stand out more. This is what we see on a normal basis back in where I come from. You see little old ladies wearing this, and of course the younger generation is starting to embrace more of the native traditions and the jewelry as well. Making a statement and going above and beyond with their pieces. So this is something, whether you want to make a statement or not, or just if you have somewhere to go, this is what you want to wear. Of course, all beautiful pieces. I can just hear the earrings clanking against the necklace, and it's just marvelous. And so, what do you think about it all?
I like it. It's really good. It's pretty.
Yep. So, but again, this is what we call, the piece is actually called Gardening Glamour. It's actually utilizing all the pieces that you might have or that you want to get. You need to look at, how your jewelry works well with one another. And of course, like I said, like mine, I paired my nausea with my turquoise, and then of course other pieces that I've had. It's mixing the new and the old. And then, of course, something that's not so traditional in the sense of agate with, traditional Native American or Navajo pearls. So that's going above and beyond. And, of course, taking away the luster and just making them oxidized silver and stamped. So it brings us our new look. This one I want it to be standing straight up, so I'm not going to add too much to her. But yeah, definitely. The agate would also work well with the darker version. And then, of course, on this one, in our picture, we actually showed Deanna holding it and, just kind of coupled around like that. And then, of course, at one point, let me borrow your other hand. We did turn it into a bracelet. We did have to hook it like this. And so, then you can just let it go right there. And basically, that creates another look. It's using your piece in more than one way, making them more versatile. So, you have a multitude of looks that you can go to. But yep, so everything that you see here can be found on our website, Shimikola Native Arts. You can leave us comments. If you have any suggestions, let us know. You can hit us up on all our social media sites. So thank you again for joining us here at Shimikola Native Arts. Like I said, drop us a hi or, let us come to the shop. Let us know how we're doing. We'll see you later. Okay, bye.